Hello everybody, welcome to this class. So here uh, we are to discuss about the third lesson, two stories about flying. So as we discussed in the previous session, we have completed the first part. He is first flight. So you can figure out how the first part of the lesson, his first flight bird, means seagull, how a bird trying to take his first flight, so his frightening fear, and finally this bird, this seagull succeed in his first flight. So in the second part, so we can discuss very interesting part of the lesson. Okay, so the second part is black aeroplane. Okay, black aeroplane, so the very strange name of the lesson. So this may give very colorful picture of a strange incident that happens in somewhere. So this is here, this is lesson black aeroplane, so written by Frederick Forsyth. Okay, let us we move on to the lesson. So let's have a look of the lesson. So the black aeroplane. So before that, we must take some information about the author. So Frederick Forsyth, he was an English novelist, journalist, and spy also. He directed many pictures, Hollywood, in Hollywood film industry. So very well-known writer he was. So after this introduction, so let's have a complete picture of the black aeroplane lesson. Okay, yes. So let us we start the lesson. So the moon was coming up in the east behind me, and stars were shining in the clear sky above me. So here the moon was coming up, it means the midnight, the time is midnight. The moon was coming up in the east direction behind me. Behind, it means behind him, it means that story narrates story is narrating around a Dakota aeroplane's pilot. Okay, so the pilot the pilot is saying that the moon was behind him in the east direction, and the stars were shining in the clear sky above me. Above me, there wasn't a cloud in the sky. There was not a cloud, single cloud in the sky, the clear sky. There was no sky, there was no clouds in the sky, the clear sky is there. Okay, yes. So there wasn't a cloud in the sky. I was happy to be alone high up above the sleeping countryside. So countryside, I was happy, it means there is no cloud, there is no it means destruction. Okay, that is why the pilot was very happy to see the sky, and happy to ride the aeroplane, and happy to be alone high up above the sleeping countryside. Here countryside means village type of place, village type of atmosphere. Okay, so in a town type of place can it means if you look at the town side, there are lots of buildings were there, and these are the places. Okay, so countryside means very clear, there are no lot of buildings, and there is complete fields were there, and it was nice to look the place over the aeroplane. Okay, yes. So it means he was very happy because of the moon in the east direction, and the skies were looking very beautiful. So he felt very happy be alone high up. Okay, yes. So I was flying my Dakota aeroplane. So he was a pilot of old Dakota. Dakota means old Dakota. It means Dakota called to old items. If you look at the old items, it was called as a Dakota. Dakota scooter, Dakota motorcycle, Dakota bus, Dakota this and that, isn't it? Dakota is an aeroplane, is a company of aeroplane, Dakota. Okay, so he was a pilot of old Dakota aeroplane over France back to England. So actually he lifted up from France back to England. Okay, yes. So back to England, I was dreaming. He was dreaming that his holiday and looking forward to being with my family. So he was a pilot, and he is he was going to England from France. So forward, he was thinking of holiday, being with a family and eat English breakfast. I looked at my watch. He looked at his watch. So the time is 1:30 in the morning. 1:30 in the morning. I should call Paris control soon, I thought, as I looked down past the nose of the aeroplane. I saw the lights of a big city in front of me. I switched on the radio and said, Paris control, Dakota DS 088 here. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I am on my way to England. Over. So it is a language of talking through the video. Okay, talking through the video. It is the language. Okay, yes. So it means he should call to Paris control, because leaving the place from airport. So he should be message. He should give the message that where he was, isn't it? Yes. So he should call Paris control. It means before that I thought, as I looked down past the nose of aeroplane, which means front side of aeroplane. He saw the lights of big city in front of him. So he switched on the radio and he said, so Paris control, Dakota DS 088 here. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Over. I am on my way to England. So I am going to England. I am on my way. Over. So he said to the radio, and the voice from the radio answered me immediately. Dakota DS 088, I can hear you. You ought to turn 12 degrees west now. DS 088, over. So here the voice from control room answered him quickly. The control room means it controls the aeroplane system, the total aeroplane system. It means how aeroplane lifted, and how it should be landed in the takeoff. Okay, runway, in the runway. So control room must give the instructions to the pilot, to pilots, to move to the right directions. Okay, so in order to giving the instructions, the it means the voice from the radio answered immediately, DS 088, I can hear you. You ought to turn 12 degrees west now. DS 088, over. This is also a language. Okay, through the radio. So it means the in control room, the answer immediately came back. So it is said that DS 088, I can hear you. You have to turn turn to 12 degrees, 12 degrees west, DS088 over. Yeah. So I checked the map. I checked the map and the compass. Compass means here indicator of the directions. Okay. So compass is the instrument which shows you the directions clearly. Compass switched over to my second and last fuel tank and turned the Dakota 12 degrees west towards England. Yes, I checked the map, he checked the map, and the compass switched over to my second and last fuel tank and turned his Dakota 12 degrees west towards the England. I'll be in time for breakfast. I thought so. He's dreaming. He was dreaming that it means he would go. He would be in time of breakfast in his home. So like this, he is dreaming. So I will be in the time for breakfast. I thought a good big English breakfast. Everything was going well. It was an easy flight. He thought that I will be in the breakfast. I have a very wonderful breakfast. A good big English breakfast. English, something different breakfast in England. So he thought everything going well. It's an easy flight. It was a easy flight. He thought. So Paris was about 150 kilometers behind me. It means Paris was about 150 kilometer behind him. When I saw the clouds, here the original picture of this lesson is here. So behind me, when I saw the clouds, storm clouds, they were huge. They looked like black mountains standing in front of me across the sky. So here the strange atmosphere is waiting for him. So it is a strange atmosphere. It's a storm. It's a very black clouds. Okay. So the bunch of clouds were there. Storm clouds were there. When Paris was about 150 kilometers behind him, there were huge black clouds. It means they look like black mountains standing in front of him across the sky. So I knew I could not fly up and over them, and I did not have enough fuel to fly around them to the north and south. So he thinks that it was very nice, but suddenly the clouds were there. The huge clouds were approaching to the Dakota. So he knew that he could not fly more in this situation. So it means he did not have. It means the Dakota did not have enough fuel to fly. So this is very strange atmosphere. So let's see what happens in the next moment. So I ought to go back to Paris. I thought, but I wanted to get home. I wanted that breakfast. So he had to go back to the Paris because enough fuel was not there to go to the England. So in this strange direction, he was not giving up the situation. He wanted the breakfast. That is why he moved forward to the England. I will take the risk. He will take the risk. I thought and flew that old Dakota straight into the storm. So he thought flew that. It means flew that old Dakota. It means he flew that old Dakota straight into the storm. Inside the clouds, everything was suddenly black. So in the black aeroplane, in the black clouds, inside the black also black, isn't it? So he is saying that inside the clouds, everything was suddenly black, impossible to see anything. Outside the aeroplane, the old aeroplane jumped and twisted in the air. There is a lot of air blowing. It's a very strange, very storm-like air blowing. So, in order to this situation, in order to this atmosphere, aeroplane jumped and twisted. This and that happened, and I looked at the compass. So, when it is happened, he should look to the compass. Compass is nothing but indicator of directions. So he looked through the compass. My eyes, the compass was turning round and round and round. So compass had to show the direction clearly, but it hadn't show the clear directions. It is turning around and round round. It was dead. The compass was dead. It would not work. The other instruments were suddenly dead. The other instruments were there. The radar shows the signals where the runways are there, isn't it? So the other instruments were suddenly dead too. I tried the radio. He tried the radio. It means something help. Something may help coming. So there is no. It means 1 minute. So there is no, it means here he may take some help from radio. Paris control, can you hear me? There was no answer. So in the radio also there is no answer. The radio was dead too. I had no radio, no compass. I could not see where I was. I was lost in the storm. Then in the black clouds quite near me, I saw another aeroplane. So in this strange atmosphere, the one, it means godlike situation came in front of him. What is this godlike atmosphere? So in this black clouds quite near me, I saw another aeroplane. He saw the another aeroplane. It had no lights. It had no lights on its wings. So it means normally all the aeroplanes must have the lights in the wings, but this aeroplane is not have the lights on its wing. But I could see it's flying next to me, next to him through the storm. I could see the pilot's face turned towards me. I was very glad to see another person. He lifted one hand and waved. So in this aeroplane is clearly, it means clearly he can look the at another aeroplane next to him. So he could think, it means he thought that this is very fantastic to have another aeroplane to help this Dakota pilot. So he was very glad to see that aeroplane, and he lifted one hand. He lifted one hand like this. He lifted one hand and like this, come. He waved his hands. Follow me, follow me. He was saying, follow me, follow me. He knows that I am lost. He knew that I am lost. I thought he is trying to help him. He is trying to help me. He turned his aeroplane slowly to the north. It means the another aeroplane's pilot turned his aeroplane to the north direction in front of my Dakota, so that it would be easier for me to follow him. I was very happy to go behind the strange aeroplane like an obedient child. So this aeroplane came to help this Dakota pilot. So he was just following him like obedient child. The child is follow you very obediently, like this Dakota pilot was following the aeroplane like obedient child, isn't it? Yes, right. After half an hour, the strange black aeroplane was still there in front of me in the clouds. Now there was only enough fuel in the old Dakota's last tank to fly for 5 or 10 minutes more. So here, so the after half an hour, strange black aeroplane, it's a black aeroplane, was still there in front of him in the clouds. So now there was only enough fuel in the Dakota's tank to fly 10 or more minutes, isn't it? 5 to 10 minutes more, right? I was starting to feel frightened again because this Dakota may fly. Dakota may fly is only 5 or 10 minutes. That is why the frightened feeling again came to him. But then he started to go down. The black aeroplane's pilot started to go down, and he followed through the storm. Suddenly I came out of the clouds. Suddenly he came out from the black clouds and saw two long straight lines of lights in front of him. It was a runway. It was a runway here. So it means the complete black clouds were gone. Here the long straight lines of lights were there in front of me. It was a runway. It was a runway. It means in runway the aeroplane, the helicopters should land. Okay, where the aeroplane should land, this place is called as a runway. There is a runway. In runway there are commonly lights were there. In airport, an airport, I was safe. I turned to look for my friend in the black aeroplane, but the sky was empty. There was nothing there. The black aeroplane was gone. I could not see it anywhere. So the black aeroplane came, and it means the black aeroplane bring this Dakota pilot to this aeroplane, this airport. But that means getting the runway. So the moment he looked back to the aeroplane, there is no black aeroplane. There is nothing in the sky. It means he could not see, and he could not see the aeroplane anywhere. I landed and was not sorry to walk away from the old Dakota near the control tower. So he landed, was not sorry to walk away from the old Dakota near the control tower. I went and asked a woman in the control center where I was and who the other pilot was. I wanted to say thank you. So it means the old Dakota pilot, he went to the control room and asked the woman, so where I was, it means English, ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ, so ಮತ್ತೆ black aeroplane ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ. So he wanted to talk like this, where I was and where the black aeroplane was there, and where the black aeroplane. So it was no more. So that is why he's asking to women. So I wanted to say thank you. So she looked at him very strangely, then laughed. So it means she looked at me very strangely and then laughed. So the moment he asked this question, where I was and where the black aeroplane, to this woman, the woman is getting laugh and strange look him and laughed, because another aeroplane up there in this store. No other aeroplanes were flying tonight. Yours was only one. I could see on the radar. So this was a very strange situation to him. So the answer was like this. So the black aeroplane, what's the black aeroplane? There are no other aeroplanes in this night. Okay, so yours the only Dakota. Dakota aeroplane is the only one. That is yours. I could see in the radar. It's a signal showing something instrument. So in this radar I could see the yours pilot, Dakota pilot only. So there are no other aeroplanes. So who helped me to arrive there safely without a compass or a radio and without any more fuel in my tanks? Who was the pilot of the strange black aeroplane flying in the storm without lights? So, this is a very strange experience to him. So, the black aeroplane was gone. Where it is gone? So, a godlike situation is there, isn't it? So, who helped me? This question arise in him. Where it means, what is this? So, what happened? What happened? It means without compass, without radio, without enough fuel, he landed. He landed to this airport safely. So, who helped me? This question, this big question, arise in him. So in this flying in the storm, in this storm-like situation, he landed England very safely because of the black aeroplane. So maybe the black aeroplane was came to help this Dakota pilot. So the God still is there. So through this lesson, we have to come. God is there. God is there to help human beings and also other beings also. So this is all about this lesson. So very wonderful lesson, uh, and this gives you faith in God, isn't it? So this is all about the today's lesson. So I hope you understand, and if you have any doubts, ask me through comments. Thank you very much. So in our next class, I send you the question answers. Thank you.